Today, we're going to determine who deserves the title of the best. We are going into the mountains to set up an obstacle shooting course and compete against each other on accuracy and speed. Just waiting for my friends to show up, we gotta load some stuff onto the truck and then we'll head out to the shop to acquire more ammo before going to the legal shooting zone near mission. Much guns, so excited.
Yeah, so next stop we're gonna meet at Sasquatch King, and then we're gonna go onto a road where there's no reception. We're gonna go by a prison, an actual prison. Don't pick up any hitchhikers who wear like an orange outfit.
About 1.5 hour drive east, we arrive at our final post, the
Sasquatch Inn. Gonna pee before we head up the mountains.
We're not going to a combat zone.
Sponsored by Pepsi?
Sponsored by Pepsi.
Rule number 1, are you guys listening? Assume every gun's loaded. Don't point the gun at anything you don't want to shoot.
I understand. I have my pal. I'm like 3 out of 7 people here who have your pals.
You're my pal.
The rules are simple. There are 3 stations in the course, with 4 targets in the first station, 4 targets in the second, and 2 targets plus 1 bonus targets on the last station. Each shooter will have 20 bullets. When finished, the shooter will eject the mag and raise it up in the air, and the timer will stop.
Joyce will be going first. I have high hopes for her.
He's so sarcastic.
Joyce is one of the 3 people that has a pal in this group. She is also the only markswoman competing today.
It's not working.
Did you turn the safety off?
Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, now I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, start!
Okay.
Too high.
Nice.
How do I take? I need to change bullets.
They can also give up.
You guys are horrible people.
Nice!
Is there more? I can't see, so there's no more.
Okay.
Yeah!
Dino counts as 2.
Joyce, you said.
Oh, the dino counts as 2.
Yeah, I wrote dino here.
I was the captain of the Trouser Snake Squad. If I were a betting man, I bet my money on this guy.
Weapon charge, stand by.
Ready, set, beep. Oh, oh.
Hit.
Nice. Nice. Is there one more? There's one more. Nice. Quick and accurate. Oh. Okay, how's got everything moving on to the last station, which is the hardest. This dino, whoa, 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 nice. Oh, can't help get the dino, nice. How's got everything, take your meg out, raise it up. Okay, he's done. 1 minute, 6 seconds.
Leon is a man of hidden talents, one of which is playing the Dan Tran. Let's see if he can also struck a chord with his finger on the trigger.
Ah, wait.
See, it's not just me.
Pulling a Joyce there.
Nice.
Leon did really well as a newbie, hitting the dino to finish with an almost perfect score. Norman actually did the worst in the round. He claims that it's because the gun isn't zeroed in correctly.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm out. Good job. I don't think, okay, hold on. I don't think that was like zeroed in correctly. Well, the first round was bullshit. And this guy was giving me shit about it. Because
You didn't
the
hit the
gun was,
dinosaur.
okay, this is my idea.
I'm gonna use the same gun as Norman to find out if it's actually not zero.
Get her ready, stand by, beep.
Fuck.
Nice.
Got him.
That's squirted. Oh, there you go.
Oh. Where's the fourth one? What the fuck? Fuck, okay. Yeah, it is a bit off.
Way off, right? It's way off.
It shoots high.
Mortgage specialist by day and loan vigilante by night, Tim guarantees everything will be okay.
Okay.
Aim a little bit lower.
I'm out.
All right. Everyone's gone. Round 2.
Yeah, round 2. Yeah.
Stop! It's not working.
You didn't turn the safety on.
Okay, I'm ready.
Nice. Station 2.
I want more bullets! I think that game was so rigged. I'm the only girl here, and all the guns are too heavy.
This is redemption round for Norman. He flew through the course like a peregrine falcon and got a perfect score.
Norman!
Oh, fuck. That was a hit. That was totally a hit. Hello? Oh, there you are. One outside hit.
Oh!
Clear.
Are you ready, shoot? 3, 2, 1, beat!
Oh!
I'm happy with my performance. Not as fast as I could, but as long as I hit my targets, that's all that matters.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Hit. Oh, it's another bonus.
Both Leon and Tim went slow and steady, hitting all the targets.
Woo! What is he doing?
Oh, he's ready. He's just...
Putting his mouth.
This is too hard.
You ready for the content? All right, shooter ready. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Hit after hit. Nice.
My saliva's coming out.
Nice. That's interesting. Alright. Nice. Hit after hit, man.
Out.
Aww.
Was that up?
Last but not least, Hao won the first round. Can he keep up in the second?
No.
Because the cannon rolled over and became horizontal, so that one was a little bit tricky for me to hit, and that just kind of ruined my mojo. I'm out. Oh man.
Dude.
Are you sure you're looking at right hand? You have to commit. You have to commit.
I committed.
Ready?
Ready?
Oh.
Ready?
Ready?
Wait. Neo, just wait. Just.
Don't worry about safety.
Hold on.
Oh shit.